Korean Bitcoin exchange Youbit is filing for bankruptcy following a series of hacks. In the latest incident, cybercriminals actually stole nearly a fifth of its client holdings, about 17% to be exact. It's the second time this year that the exchange has been raided. In April, it lost $35 million. Luke McNamara is a senior cyber threat intelligence analyst at cyber company FireEye. He joins us live now. So, Luke, thank you so much for being with us. Sure. So, obviously, Bitcoin is a very volatile cryptocurrency. It's risen roughly around 2,000% so far this year. It's been on a wild ride just recently. What does all of that mean in terms of the priorities that we should all have in terms of making it safe and ramping up security?
Well, I think you're right. It's the fact that it has appreciated so much in value this year means that it's attracting a lot of interest from various cyber criminals. In this case, we have noticed, starting really this year, North Korean actors that previously we have linked to the North Korean government and traditionally carry out cyber espionage and cyber destruction activities actually pivot to start going after places like cryptocurrency exchanges in South Korea in order to help bring in cash, as sanctions have really ratcheted up this year.
So then what can be done about that then?
Well, I think one is user security, just educating users on proper security methods, using things like two-factor authentication. But I think you're also seeing, just last week, the South Korean government came out and instituted some new proposals and regulations, some of which are going to increase the security that these crypto exchanges are required to operate under.
So why have these exchanges just been so slow to respond to the threat from hackers?
I think you can't really necessarily place all the blame on the cryptocurrency exchanges. I think in some cases, we're seeing these same groups of actors going after the traditional financial sector, and they're having success there. So when you're up against an adversary like a nation state that has those sorts of resources behind it, it becomes very difficult to defend yourself regardless who the target is.
So for people at home who might be considering possibly investing in Bitcoin, they look at the numbers, they look at the massive jump, and they're thinking, maybe I should get in at some point. What do they really need to be aware of, do you think?
I think they have to be aware of some of these adversaries that are out there. Some of them are more run-of-the-mill cyber criminals, and I think that the security required to properly manage and secure your private keys, which are necessary to secure your wallet and the funds in that wallet, that's really paramount in this space. So using proper security hygiene, that's something that is really essential for users to keep in mind.